Alright, we're back. So you can see here, end stop Z triggered after retract. That's just an issue with the metal not being understood by the NPN sensor. So we're going to disconnect. We're going to connect. Then we're going to go here. I've moved the build plate since last time. So I'm going to run a G28 again to home the device. The Z axis is still out. So that will not be able to home. So it will error out before that. But I've moved, like I said, the X and Y axis so you can see some movement more than what we saw last time. Here we go. Yep, just a regular old printer. This is the PrintrBot Simple Metal 1403. It came out in like 2014. I bought it in 2015. I've had it ever since. And it's been a good time until I broke things with this thingamajiggy I got over here. Anyway, so that's it. It's homing. And then that's it. It errors out. See? End stop Z triggered after retract. That's the error.